Hi guys, let's talk about TUM, Technische Universität München. Simply say Technical University of Munich. This university is well known and it's performing well. If you check world ranking, when it comes to Germany, it's always first or second for the past 5 years. TUM is either first or second. If you check the world rankings, it's also performing. Let's talk about the four campuses of TUM: Heilbronn, Garching, Freising, and the central campus in Munich. So TUM has four campuses, each has a particular focus. My fans, my audience have been asking about English taught programs in Germany, and that's why I make this video today to introduce you to some English taught programs in Germany with a particular focus on TUM, Technische Universität München, Technical University of Munich. In your view are the campuses of TUM, some in Garching, some in Freising, and the central campus. And just sit down, relax, and study or watch some of the English taught programs at the university.
Razdelice tople s juga, iz Balata Bosne Miša, poslaću joj slike svoje, gdje se vide Istra Pula. Nek pa nešto ima moje, da je tješi, da je brani, da je čuva. Moj mjeseče, evo pada veče, a gdje si ti? Bravo! Svuda tamo, moja draga sama, vidiš li? Razdelice tople s juga, iz Balata Bosne Miša, poslaću joj slike svoje, gdje se vide Istra Pula. Nek pa nešto ima moje, da je tješi, da je brani.